everyone, how's it going? I want to wish everyone a happy Mother's Day, and in honor of Mother's Day, I want to show you how to draw a cute cartoon Mother's Day cat picture. So hope everyone has a happy Mother's Day today, and hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Mother's Day picture, let's begin with the little kitten at the top. So I'm going to start right here, and we're going to make the head. So let's begin by drawing a little line that's just going to curve like this, and it's a little bit at an angle. Next, let's draw a line that's going to go up and down. And we'll make another one here that's going to go up and down. Starting here, let's draw a line that's going to go down, and we'll just bring this up to here to form the head. Right inside of here, let's make a little zigzag line inside the bottom of each ear. Next, let's bring this line up on each side. Starting here, let's make a circle for an eye. We'll leave some space and we'll make another circle over here. Then we'll make two little half circles inside of here for some little cute eyes. Starting here, let's make a little line across with a V shape right underneath here, and we'll just color this in for the nose. Starting here, let's go down and curve it up, and we'll do the same thing over here, down and curve it up. Next, we'll make a little line that goes down and up for the mouth, with a little sad face for the tongue, and we'll color this part of the mouth in. Now, on the sides here, let's go ahead and make a couple little lines for some whiskers. Next, right underneath here, let's make two little ovals for the paws. Let's begin by making one right here for a little paw. We'll leave some space, and we'll make another oval right here for another paw. Let's go ahead and draw a little line right between them. We'll make a little line here and a little line here. Starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come out and down for the ear. We'll do the same thing here. Let's go up and we'll come down for the other ear. Now before we go any farther, let's go ahead and draw a little line that comes down for the body of the kitten, and one right here. We will also make two little lines here, and two little lines right here for some toes. Next, let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to go down and come up. We'll make those little zigzag lines in the ears again, right at the bottom, with a line that's going to come up on each side. Starting here, we're going to make a circle for an eye. We'll leave some space, and we'll make another circle for an eye right here. Then we'll make those two little half circles inside each one. Then just go ahead and color it in right in that little middle part. I'll make a little line across for the nose. We'll make a line that's going to go down and up for the nose. We'll go ahead and color this in, and I'm just going to leave the little bit at the top white for a little bit of reflection. Let's draw a line that's going to go down and up on each side for the mouth. And I'll make another little smile right here. We'll make this mouth close. We'll just draw a little line just to show where the mouth is. Right here, I'm going to add 3 little lines on each side for the whiskers. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line down and another little line down here for the body. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little Mother's Day cat and kitten picture. Now, when you color this, you can do lots of things. You can add some stripes in here, some spots. You can really do whatever you want to. You can put collars, but I'm just going to kind of keep this simple. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.